Venus Flytrap, Secrets of Care and Maintenance. Hello, dear friends. Today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating and unique plants in the world, the Venus Flytrap. This plant is not only known for its distinctive appearance, but also for its remarkable ability to catch insects. So, if you're thinking of adding this amazing plant to your collection, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Introduction to the Venus Flytrap. The Venus Flytrap, Dionea muscipula, is a popular carnivorous plant native to the tropical regions of the United States. The number of leaves on the plant can range from 3 to 8, depending on its age. It grows to a maximum height of 15 centimeters. The leaves are highly sensitive and have tiny hairs on their surface. If a foreign object touches these hairs, the leaves quickly snap shut, trapping it. When an insect lands on the inner surface of the leaves, it gets caught and becomes the Venus Flytrap's prey. The speed at which the leaves close depends on environmental factors such as humidity, light, and the size of the insect. The upper surface of the leaves contains red glands that secrete a fluid to digest the trapped insects. How the Venus Flytrap feeds. As mentioned earlier, the leaves of the Venus Flytrap can trap insects that land inside them. Once the leaves close, the glands on their surface secrete an acidic substance that digests the insect, allowing the plant to absorb it as food. After 5 to 15 days, the leaves reopen, and the remains of the insect can be seen inside. Each leaf can only trap prey 2 to 3 times before it turns brown and dies. By removing these old leaves, new ones will grow to take their place. Care tips for the Venus Flytrap. Light. The Venus Flytrap requires at least 12 hours of light per day, with 4 hours of direct sunlight being essential. However, avoid exposing the plant to direct midday sun. In summer, the early morning hours are the best time for it to receive direct light. Insufficient light can lead to various problems for the plant. Overall, the amount of light plays a crucial role in the size of the leaves and the shape and length of the petioles. Watering. Proper watering is critical for maintaining the Venus Flytrap. This plant loves humidity, but you should adjust the watering frequency based on environmental conditions. Always use distilled water or rainwater, as water with minerals can cause the leaves to turn yellow or black. To water the Venus Flytrap, you can place the bottom of the pot in a tray filled with 1-2 cc of water. The water will be absorbed through the drainage holes and reach the soil. Be careful not to overwater, as it can lead to root rot and fungal diseases. The best time to water is when the surface of the soil has dried out. Humidity. The Venus Flytrap thrives in high humidity and cannot tolerate dry environments. If you live in a dry climate, you can cover the pot with a plastic bag to increase the humidity around the plant. If the plant experiences excessive dryness, its leaves may close, and it will enter a dormant phase. The proper Thanksgiving celebration pot. Temperature. The Venus Flytrap can tolerate temperatures ranging from 7 degrees C to 36 degrees C. However, as temperatures rise, you'll need to pay closer attention to watering and increase humidity by misting. On the other hand, in colder weather, the plant's leaves will open and close more slowly. As temperatures drop, reduce watering to prevent root rot. During winter, the plant enters a resting phase and can tolerate temperatures between 0°C and 10°C. Some leaves may turn black in these conditions, but this is normal. Simply remove the blackened leaves to allow new growth. Soil. It's essential to use the right soil for the Venus flytrap, as it won't grow in regular garden soil or compost. In its natural habitat, the plant thrives in nutrient-poor soils, which is why it evolved to be carnivorous. Peat moss or sphagnum moss are ideal for the Venus flytrap. The soil should be slightly acidic, which sphagnum naturally provides. You can use pure sphagnum moss or a mix of peat, silica sand, and perlite. Avoid ready-made potting mixes that may contain fertilizers, as they are harmful to the Venus flytrap and can burn its roots. Feeding the Venus flytrap. One common way to nourish plants is by fertilizing them. However, the Venus flytrap is an exceptional plant that obtains its nutrients not from soil, but from insects. To feed this plant, you need to provide it with insects. Soft-bodied insects such as flies, mosquitoes, and spiders are ideal for feeding. It is highly recommended to avoid feeding the plant with substances like minced meat or other non-insect proteins, as the plant's enzymes cannot digest such materials. The digestion process typically takes a few weeks. Feeding one trap at a time is sufficient. After 2 weeks, you can feed another trap. Pruning. To keep your Venus flytrap healthy, regular pruning is essential. Pruning involves removing dried or deformed leaves. The color of the leaves indicates their health. Leaves that have dried or turned brown or black should be removed to encourage the plant to maintain its growth and produce new leaves. Winter dormancy of the Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap undergoes a period of winter dormancy each year. During this phase, the plant should be kept in a location with a temperature of around 10°C and adequate light. Once dormancy begins, reduce watering. It is crucial to ensure the plant receives enough light during this period. Additionally, the plant does not require insect feeding during its dormancy. At the end of winter, exposure to direct sunlight will bring the plant out of dormancy and it will resume growth. Propagation of the Venus flytrap. The most common method for propagating the Venus flytrap is by planting seeds. Pre-treatment of the seeds before planting is not necessary. Follow these steps to plant Venus flytrap seeds. One, prepare the planting medium. The medium for planting Venus flytrap seeds should be similar to the one used for mature plants, as mentioned earlier in this article. 2. Water the soil. After preparing the medium, water the soil and allow the excess water to drain completely. Three, plant the seeds. Scatter the seeds on the soil and lightly spray them with water. Covering the pot with plastic will help increase humidity and degraded form. Keep the soil moist. Regularly check the surface of the soil and keep it moist by spraying water. Ensure that the water you use is free of minerals. Also, maintain the temperature between 25 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 degrees Fahrenheit until germination. The lower the temperature, the less likely the seeds will germinate. Five, germination. If the conditions are ideal, you should see seed germination within 4 to 6 weeks. 6. Transplanting. 2 to 3 weeks after germination, you can transplant the young Venus flytrap into your desired pot. Final tips. Do not touch the Venus flytrap leaves as it weakens the plant. Place the pot in a location with good air ventilation. If you're a beginner, make sure to study the plant's needs first. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, don't forget to give it a like and leave your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Until the next video, take care of yourself and your plants.